Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The promise of victory. Reciting Surah An-Nasr during compulsory prayers is highly recommended for those facing challenges from enemies. It is narrated that individuals who incorporate this surah into their prayers will be granted victory over their foes and on the day of judgment. They will receive a record affirming their freedom from the hellfire. This promise instills confidence in believers, reinforcing the idea that faith and devotion will lead to divine protection and ultimate triumph. Acceptance of prayers. The importance of reciting Surah An-Nasr extends beyond personal safety. It plays a crucial role in the acceptance of prayers. When this surah is recited with sincerity and intention, it is believed to enhance the likelihood of prayers being answered. This aspect encourages believers to incorporate Surah Nasr into their daily rituals, seeking out only guidance but also divine favor in their endeavors. Frequent recitation of Surah An-Nasr is said to elevate an individual's spiritual status, placing them alongside those who supported the Holy Prophet ﷺ during the conquest of Makkah. This connection underscores the significance of the surah and its ability to draw the believer closer to the legacy of the Prophet, reinforcing their commitment to the faith. Fulfillment of wishes. For those seeking to fulfill specific wishes, reciting Surah Nasr 100 times, accompanied by sincere prayer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is recommended. This practice is believed to align one's intentions with divine will, paving the way for wishes to manifest. Additionally, reciting the surah 7 times before and after 3 recitations of Durud Ibrahim after each prayer can offer protection from external challenges, enhancing the believer's resilience in the face of adversity. This surah is the sifat of the Quran. It is narrated that whoever recites this surah in compulsory prayers will always be victorious over his enemies. On the day of judgment, he will be given a book in which it will be written that he is free from hellfire. Recitation of this surah in the prayers ensures that the prayers are accepted. The one who recites this surah frequently is held in the same status as those who were with the Holy Prophet ﷺ when Makkah was conquered. Whoever recites Surah Nasr 100 times and prays from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, inshallah his all wishes will be fulfilled. If a person recites 7 times Surah Nasr before and after 3 times Durud Ibrahim after each prayer, inshallah he will be safe from all external attacks and difficulties. If anyone recites Surah Nasr 500 times after each prayer for any valid wishes, inshallah his wish will be fulfilled.